Hello there! This is Epi Vlogs, a former teacher for 6 years and now an entrepreneur of my own business as social media manager of Miklish Sticker Labels and Prints PH. Ang channel na ito ay para sa mga passionate individuals, stickers made just for your passion or your hobby, journaling or putting stickers everywhere. Gusto nyo lang siyang gawin. This is also for everyone who do business with stickers. What can you expect? You can expect in this channel weekly uploads ng mga videos kung saan may mga basic tutorials at basic informations up to intermediate levels of informational videos about our topics, about sa stickers, prints, also silhouette cameo 3 or cameo 4 cutter platter tutorial para po sa ating mga newbies as well as intermediate level or yung matagal na sa industry na gusto pang madagdagan ang kanilang kaalaman pagdating sa cameo. Also, product reviews of machines and other gadgets or materials na ating gagamitin sa ating mga sticker printing procedures ay included po sa ating weekly uploads. And lastly, I would be sharing also tips and own experience ko pagdating sa pagbebenta or advertising and marketing my business online kahit nasa loob ka lang ng bahay. Are you interested? If you're interested, please do consider subscribing to my channel and let us grow together and be part of my community. Goodbye mga ka-Eps and see you on our next videos. Goodbye!